If your skin is looking dark, dull, and lackluster due to excessive shaving and tweezing caused by your hirsutism, then you need to add the Go Pure Power Trio Serum Set to your skincare regimen. So I'm going to do a demonstration on how to add these into your regimen. First is the Brighten and Even Serum. Now you want to use this after using your cleansing step. And for the sake of time, I've already cleansed my skin. Of course, it is a little dry now because I didn't follow up with any moisturizer. So I'm going to mist my skin to give it a nice little moisture. And this will be the vehicle to drive this serum deeper into the skin. So here we go. So you want to use this serum on damp skin, and you're going to add 3 to 5 drops to your skin and then massage it in. And again, you're going to add this after your cleansing step, and then you're going to massage it into the skin and apply it to the areas that you specifically need to target pigment. And it's okay to use the pads of your fingers and give yourself a nice facial massage as you're applying this serum. So next, you're going to wait a few seconds before going to add the second serum. Next, we're going to add the Dramatically Dewy Serum. So we're going to add a few drops. So we're just going to massage it into the skin. Oh yes, I really like this one, and it smells amazing. It smells really good. Has a nice, soft, fragrant smell. Definitely not overpowering. And it feels really refreshing. It feels really, really refreshing. And again, just give yourself a nice little facial massage and just kind of press it in. And already I have not added my moisturizer, but my skin feels really, really hydrated. Since I'm following the day regimen as of now, you do not need to add the Firm and Lift Serum. You would add this right before bed. So what I'm going to do next is follow up with my moisturizer. And of course, I'm using the Light Aloe Moisturizer by SkinScript. For this moisturizer, you don't need much, especially if you're like me and you have oily skin. So you just apply this after you're applying your serums. And it's just going to give your skin nice moisture and hydration. Yes! Am I glowing? Am I glowing? Am I glowing? And so my skin does not feel sticky. My hands are not sticky. Like, everything feels really good. To begin to see the results, of course, that comes with continued use. So definitely consider adding the Go Pure Power Trio Serum Set to your skincare regimen. For more information on how you can get this set or any product in this set, visit the description box below for all of the information to purchase. So I will be continuing to use these products as an addition to my skincare regimen. So if you want to follow, be sure to click the subscribe button to make sure that you stay connected. I'm Reese Wright with Adore Her Beauty, and I'll see you in the next video.